The 2011 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.